In question 30, function is defined by it is equal to 5 when x is less than equal to 2. It is equal to ax plus b when x value lies between 2 and 10, and function value is equal to 21 if x is greater than 1. And it is given that function is continuous. So find a and b value. Now at which point function is given continuous, that is not given. So we should consider x equal to 2 and x equal to 10 because 2 and 10 are repeating. This trick we can use here, isn't it? So now since first we'll suppose function is continuous at 2. Since function is continuous at x equal to 2, that means limit x tends to 2 plus is equal to x tends to 2 minus is equal to f of 2 here. Okay, so limit x tends to 2 plus. 2 plus means value of x greater than 2. So limit x tends to 2. 2 plus means greater than 2, ax plus b. Okay, so here we will get 2a plus b. Suppose this is equation 1 and this will be 2. Then limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means a value of x less than 2, which is equal to 5 directly. So answer is 5. Then f of 2 also equal to 2 sign is here, so f of 2 also equal to 5. So from 1, 2, 3 and 4 we will get one relation. What will be that relation? That 2a plus b is equal to 5. Isn't it? This we will consider as Roman 1. So this equation we got in terms of a and b. Now we will consider f is continuous at x equal to 10. Again we will get one equation here. F is continuous at x equal to 10. That means limit x tends to 10 plus is equal to limit x tends to 10 minus equals to f of 10. Then we will find each of the expression one by one. 10 plus means x value greater than 10 is in third function. So we will write 21, which will give 21, equation number 5 suppose. This will be 5, this we can consider as 6. Then limit x tends to 10 minus. 10 minus means value of x less than 10. Less than 10 means second functions. So ax plus b. Now here value of x will suppose will put 10a plus b, equation 7. F of 10 will be, see equal to sign is here, so that means third function will be your f of 10, which is 21. Now what we can write from equation 5, 6 and 7. In 5 what is given? All the expressions are equal. So all the expressions means 10a plus b equals to 21. So from 6, 7 and 8, 10a plus b equals to 21. Now this we can suppose as Roman equation 2. These two equations we will solve to get value of a and b. We will solve these two equations simultaneously to get value of a and b. So from what we can write from Roman 1 and 2, we got 2a plus b equals to 5, isn't it? And this is 10a plus b is equal to 21. So now we can subtract both the equation. If we subtract equation, so this sign will change. Minus 8a, this will go, and here will be left with minus 16, isn't it? So a will be minus 16 by minus 8, that means 2. Now substitute or put a equals to 2 in equation 1 suppose. Roman 1. So 2a plus b equals to 5, but we got a value 2. So b will be 5 minus 4, which is 1. So what we got here, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. Final answer.